What's up, YouTube, man? It's your boy DD, and I'm back with another video. As you can see, we got the Scat, man. And it's not my Scat, it's my homeboy Scat. And guess where he at? That nigga at work, and he gonna leave the Scat close to me. Boy got the keys, man. So I decided I'm gonna steal it. Cause why not? I own the SS. This is the SS competition right here. And yeah, we're gonna have to see what this bad boy talking about. So I'm gonna just get straight into the video. I know a lot of y'all, it's a lot of y'all dream car. It's alright for a Scat. I heard better. I've heard better. Some sun. Yeah, this is gonna be a quick little video. I'm gonna crack these windows for y'all. So y'all can get a little yeah nah nah sign. But yeah, here we go, man. Shut up. Sorry my boy if you see this, but we're going straight into sport mode. All that. Hold on. Let's see what that do. Oh, you fuck nigga. It's over.
Full of crystals, baby. Niggas out in the building.
I don't know where I'm at. I just know I got this nigga. I just got this boy Skit Kid. Woo! Ain't gonna lie, y'all. I might have to grab one. Might have to grab one of these, I ain't gonna lie to y'all. That bitch do feel. That bitch so nasty. That bitch so nasty. Woo! Woo! I hope y'all can hear it, bro. Y'all should be able to. This nigga was tripping. I ain't gonna lie, y'all. He lucky I rock with him, cause I get. Y'all want me to do it? I can't do it, y'all. He lucky I rock with him. Brakes on this hoe. Bro, I hope y'all hear this car, man. Like, Dodge got the best sounding muscle cars, but I don't care what nobody say. You hear me, bro? Like, they been need bigger brakes though. They need them automatic 4x4s on this hoe. I'm gonna see if I can get y'all a launch control, all that. Let's see. 2,500 RPM. God, let's go right there. Oh no. Enough. And the problem is every scat don't sound like this, bro. Yeah. Woo. Guys out hearing this right now. This phone, I know it's not doing no justice. It's too much wind, bruh. I know it is. We're gonna activate this lock control right here. Activate. I gotta go, y'all. I'm like, bro, how the fuck you do lock control? Let's go on this dumbass road. It's my luck this car wanna follow me. Man, that's some shit. Spot you added right here. Oh, wow, we already got added right here before. I'm trying to learn how to activate this launch control. Okay, we got it. We finna get to it. Fuck me, bro. This nigga tripping with my shit. I'm sorry, brother. I'm sorry, mama, but this money is what made a nigga. I know y'all see my dread journey, man. I'm trying to get dreads, bro. These cars getting on my damn nerves, though, bro. I can't even get right. Can't even activate for real. Try to get his lock control real quick, bro. This nigga don't do nothing in his car, y'all. Let's activate that lock control real quick, y'all. Activate. Okay. Okay, right here. Y'all ready? I can respect that. I can respect that. hear that, mother? Y'all hear that, mother? Man. Y'all so pissed because I'm holding my camera the wrong way and I can't get right because I gotta keep it this way, bro. Shit so annoying, bro. Let's do a 0 to 60 in that hoe. How you do that? Fuck you do a 0 to 60 in that hoe. 7 fucking seconds? What the fuck are you doing? Let's get right on that 0 to 60 real quick. I'm finna scare the world. Watch this. Got 5 seconds. That was my fault though. I thought you could activate launch control, bro. We got 5. 4.9 was the best. I smoked that. Well, that is gonna be the end of this video, man. Like, comment, and subscribe, bro. Stop not hitting the subscribe button, bro. It's free, my nigga. Damn. Y'all got me getting on here ugly as hell, all type of shit, bro. I got so many videos to edit, bro. I don't even know what to do for real. I'm finna edit all these videos, drop them back to back to back to back to back. It's been taking me forever, but fuck it. I want me a Scatpack, y'all. I don't know, y'all. I want me a Scatpack. Oof. Oof. Man, that's it for this video, man. I'll catch y'all